today's video, we're gonna play Murder Mystery 2, okay? Yeah. So this game is popular back then, and this my favorite game too. I think I have 4 accounts. Yeah, 4 accounts. I only have 5. This one is my other account. This one is the newest. Woo! Estang Slay. Wow, what the? Oh my god, he's so slay. Look at him. Look, even the back. Look at the back. Hey, stop pushing that cool guy. Yeah, yeah. Look at this woman. Yes, brains. I kept being the innocent. Murder mystery. Oh, this one is the old one. Yeah, I remember this. There's a hide. Zylik was here. Okay. Hey, get the hell out of my way. Oh god, someone already died. I trust you. Oh, someone died. I think he's coming that way. No, oh my god, you scared me. You go first. If you die, I don't care. Oh god, not that guy. Oh god, not him. Oh no, it's the bald guy. Yes, it's a sheriff. Keep running. Run, bish. If he comes here or there, I'ma start running. You go, boy. Go one. Oh, don't go there, bro. He's come. Oh my god, he's right there, bro. Run. Oh, money. God. Tung sahur. Blah 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 blue blue. How did he? No. How did that reach me? Bro. Even started emoting. Like, shut up. Murderer. I kinda look Sigma. This one is the most Sigma guy. Look at him. Let me see. Oh my god. Look at your fat. Oh my god. Hey, yo! Bank 2. No, mail base. Oh, you be my friend. Non. You're not non. Stone Slay. Rayleigh. I have a nephew named Rayleigh Kaylee. I kept being the innocent. Why? Oh god, someone already died. I hope it's not that fat guy. No. Oh. No, it's not me, bro. Stop running. I didn't kill didn't kill someone. Ew. We heard from there, or these guys are not murderers. One of them are sheriff, or one of them died. How do you? I think it's that guy. Run away from back down. It's not that guy because he's chilling. He will not. But the murderer will chase us if I'm just. Ew, my nails are dirty. Do you like my new He tricked me. Do you like my new recording? It's me, Sabalutsky. I'll stand here dancing non-stop. until the round ends. Oh, it's the sheriff! Bro just did the freak. Bro just did that. Oh, shoot! Woman, shoot! Woman, shoot! The bald guy is pro. Oh my god, bro did the split. Ano po yun? Nice. Wow. It was just a random guy. It's just a guy. I'm also Filipino. Also, Louis Gamer called the TikTok, but Louis Gamer called the original, aka Mr. Flim Flam, is actually America. No, I want this! Bacon! Yes, yes, nice. Good boy, good boy. I think you're a man. Oh my god, my favorite guy, the fat guy. No wonder guys, why is my leg and arm like this? Because I ripped them off. I mean, because because it's just my style. I like the night. Also, this thing. Oh my! Scaring me. Oh no! It's your bird. Oh my god! I'm running to the maelstrom. Aw, poor Engstrong. I'm going to the elevator. Run! Woman, run! It's the Billy guy. Billie Eilish. If around head. I think somewhere. Oh, it's safe. Oh no, it's the Billy guy, run! I think he's lagging as hell. Oh, this guy died. Oh, he has the gun! The fat guy has that gun. Look at this laggy guy. Ah! Run, bro! Oh, look at this! Let me break this angle, bro. No. No! Bro. Well, this video is gonna end. Goodbye, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.